In a recent video, I showed you how to make this really cool target shooter out of a plastic drinks bottle and a balloon. This week I thought it would be cool to see how powerful it actually is. I'm going to be firing these bamboo skewers at a range of different targets. I'm cutting them in half so they're a suitable size. The first thing I'm going to try is to see if I can shoot straight through this tomato. So I placed it down, loaded up the shooter, and took a shot. It went in at a really funny angle. I'm not quite sure how that happened. So I took another shot. This time it went in, came slightly through the top of the tomato, but that was it. Next, I decided to try an apple. It was quite a good shot that did go in deep. But by no means has it got the power to go all the way through and out the other side. Next, I thought it would be fun to see if I could pierce a can of Coca-Cola. I shook it up first and placed it down. I managed to hit it and burst it with my first shot. Pretty cool, huh? And you can see the hole here. The skewer didn't stick into the can because I think the pressure of the Coke exiting through the hole forced it back out. You can see there is no exit hole at the back of the can. Unfortunately, I did actually rip the balloon from firing too many skewers. But it's easy and quick enough to repair with a fresh balloon, so it's ready to use again. As I was able to pierce a drinks can, I wondered if it could also puncture a can of baked beans, which is thicker metal. So I loaded up the shooter and took a few shots. Every time I hit it, it moved the can slightly, maybe teared the paper, but I don't think it pierced it. You can see here it ripped the paper, and if we look underneath, it actually dented the can, but didn't quite puncture it. Next, I put a tiny bit of white paint into an empty milk bottle and filled it up with water so it looks like milk. Then I hung it up and took a shot. You can see I missed the bottle, but the skewer did stick straight into the wooden fence. My next shot was awful. It missed by miles, but stuck into the fence again. And finally I hit the bottle with a nice clean shot. The skewer stuck into the bottle, and when I removed it, out came the water. To end the video, I'm going to see if it'll actually break this piece of glass. However, I'm going to fire a stone rather than the skewers. I loaded it up and took a shot. I hit it quite high up and smashed the top, so I reloaded and took another shot, and it smashed with ease. So if you are going to make one of these bottle balloon shooters, do be careful. They're not hugely powerful or accurate, but they can do damage. So make sure you never shoot anything you're not supposed to. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.